Hey my loves, and welcome to another exciting video. So I know by now you must have seen the drafting and the cutting of these six pieces. You must have seen the sewing tutorial of these pieces. Meanwhile, they are both well detailed. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I cut out this tulip sleeve, like a stylish tulip sleeve right there on the sleeve. So this is gonna be what you would like to see. Please do want to watch to the end. Like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into it as a height. So first of all, I'm going to be drafting my main sleeve like on a pattern paper. So this is just pattern paper I'll be using. First of all, mark your starter point. I went down by 2.5 and also got my sleeve length there. You can make yours shorter or longer, whichever one that works for you, but any length you decide to use, just is still the same process. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and mark all of those lines that we marked out, and then at the upper part of my sleeve I'm going in by 4 inches. Now from that 4 I'm going to make a curve. I'm not getting to that 4, right? You see the way I'm making that curve, like you're making a curve, right? So just do that, and then I'm going to measure that up to the length of my armhole, which I marked at 11. Note at this point I'm adding 1 inch allowance for my joining, right? So my sleeve divided by 2 plus 1 inch sewing allowance. Okay, so I marked it over there, and then I'm going to just go ahead and cut it out, right? See, the making of this, or the sewing of this sleeve, is very easy. Okay, it's not as hard as you think it is. So let me just pay very close attention. Okay, pay very close attention so you don't miss a thing. So now after that, go ahead and notch the center up and then the center down. Open up your sleeve like this, okay? And then at one point on the down part, one side of the down part, okay, from your center, mark 3 inches. Okay, and then at the other side, at the top as well, at the center, also mark 3 inches. All right, now just go use your free hand and then connect that curve just like I'm doing right now. So this is me turning it over so I can get like a perfect curve. At this point I feel like the upper part is like too in, so I'm going to add like extra half an inch like you see me do there, and then just make sure that your curve is well curvy like this, like a tulip, half tulip. Okay, and then go ahead and cut that out. Now with this pattern, place it on your fabric, the one that you're going to be using to cut out your sleeve. Place it, use your pin to go ahead and secure it like I'm doing right now. Okay, make sure you secure it very well, and make sure that your the fabric is on fold, right? This I'm using like 2 piece, so it's going to give me like what the front and the back, like left side and right side, like a whole sleeve. That's what it's going to give me after I cut this out. So while cutting this, make sure that you're adding your half-inch sewing allowance. Okay, so go ahead and cut like I'm showing you. And while you're cutting, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, like, comment, and share, and don't forget to follow as well. Thank you. Okay, so also go ahead and cut out. The reason I'm not adding any allowance on this side is because we've already added our 1 inch sewing allowance, right? So now by the time you open this, you take off your pin and then you open up your sleeve, making sure that the upper part is at the center. You're having a full sleeve. Do you understand the point right now? So now I also went ahead to cut out like a long strap on 4 inch. So by the time you fold it, it's going to give you 2 inch measurements. Okay, and I'm going to be adding it at the down part. Also, when I had to cut out the lining as well. So now this is the sewing process. First of all, that long strap that you cut out, just make sure that you fold it and then sew it all the way, like sew it like I'm doing right now. And then after that, you go ahead and bring in one side of the sleeve, right? Then from that part, just make sure that you, when attaching the strap, you are pleating it. Okay, just keep pleating as you go. I'm using bold pleats here. Okay, that's what I use for this. So go ahead and pleat it all the way around as you go, and then wherever it stops, even if you don't see everything does not enter, just go ahead and cut off the remaining at that upper part. Now after this, just with your the joint part still bended like that, go ahead and then attach your sleeve. So from the down part to the upper part, you know that place that you did the curvy thing that you cut it out from, just sew it, then notch it. Okay, be careful so you don't slash your main fabric. Okay, and then after that, go ahead and open it up and top stitch it. Okay, like I'm doing right now. And after the top stitching, you're going to be having something like this. All right, so now what is left is for you to just sew the upper part down to the side. All right, this side is not going to be on fold, it's not going to be tucked in rather. So just top stitch it like that and then cut off your excess lining. Exactly what you did on this, you're going to be doing it on the other side as well, after which you hold them together by the center, sewing it up and then making it a whole sleeve, right? Then go ahead and use your 1 inch allowance that you added earlier for your sewing and then join that together, and that is all you need to do as far as this sleeve is concerned, right? So by the time you finish, just go ahead and cut off all the excess thread. When you turn it over, right, this is what you're going to have. This is where you're going to have that tulip effect by the end of your sleeve. So like I said before, you can make your sleeve longer than this, you can make it shorter than this, okay, depending on the length that you want. So this is just the way I got the sleeve, and by the time you wear it, you're going to be having something like this. Now for the joining, just go ahead and bring in your your dress, right? So what I'm trying to determine is how to place it. So what I want is, when I'm placing this, I want that part, the upper part, to be on the front area, the one that overlaps the other one, not the one on the inner. The one that is on top, I want it to be at the front, right? That's why you see me like going back and forth, bringing in and out. So because I want that to be at the front, right? So that when you're looking at it from the front, it is giving that design that you saw on the sleeve. Okay, so go ahead and pin it up, the center for the up, and then the folding, the joining part to the side of your dress, pin it, and then go to your machine and just use your 1/2 inch allowance and sew it all round, and also do the same thing for the other side. And that is how we achieved this sleeve. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and will you be trying out this sleeve pattern? If yes, please let me know. And if you love this sleeve, also let me know. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please do want to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And until next time, my wonderful people, stay creative. And do not forget that I love you so much.